When it comes to upgrading your kitchen with a high-performance cooking appliance, this GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop 30-inch stands out as a top contender. This built-in electric cooktop is designed with advanced features and user-friendly controls, making it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. In this detailed review, we'll explore the various aspects of this induction cooktop, including its design, functionality, safety features, and overall performance. The GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop boasts a sleek and modern design that fits seamlessly into any kitchen decor. Its one-piece glass surface not only looks elegant, but also makes maintenance a breeze. Unlike traditional cooktops with crevices that trap food residue, this cooktop's smooth surface allows for easy wipe-down cleaning. Additionally, the glass is scratch-resistant, ensuring that your cooktop maintains its pristine appearance over time. The cooktop measures 30.3 inches by 20.5 inches by 2.4 inches and is designed for a built-in installation. The minimized width design provides extra counter space, making it a great choice for smaller kitchens where space is at a premium. The cutout size of 22.2 inches by 19.4 inches ensures a snug fit in your countertop, giving your kitchen a streamlined look. One of the standout features of the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop is its 4 powerful cooking zones. These zones offer 9 power levels, allowing you to switch from a gentle simmer to a rapid boil with precision. This level of control is essential for various cooking requirements, from delicate sauces to hearty stews. The 4 cooking zones mean you can prepare multiple dishes simultaneously, significantly reducing the time needed to prepare meals, especially for dinner parties or large family gatherings. The sensor touch controls are highly responsive and easy to use, providing an intuitive cooking experience. Safety features. Safety is a paramount concern when it comes to kitchen appliances, and the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop excels in this area. It is equipped with several safety features to ensure worry-free cooking. Child Safety Lock. This feature prevents accidental activation by children, giving you peace of mind when the cooktop is not in use. Overheating Protection. The cooktop automatically shuts down if it detects excessive heat, preventing potential hazards and prolonging the lifespan of the appliance. Auto Shutdown Protection. If the cooktop is left on for an extended period without any changes to the settings, it will automatically turn off, conserving energy and ensuring safety. Detection of Small Articles. This feature prevents the cooktop from heating up if it detects small objects, such as utensils, that could cause accidental burns. These safety features demonstrate the manufacturer's commitment to providing a secure cooking environment, adhering strictly to North American standards. Another notable feature of the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop is its multifunctional timer. You can set the timer up to 99 minutes, which is particularly useful for recipes that require precise cooking times. The timer can serve as a reminder or automatically turn off the cooking zone once the set time has elapsed. This functionality ensures that your dishes are cooked to perfection and helps prevent overcooking or burning. Induction cooktops are known for their energy efficiency, and the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop is no exception. It uses electromagnetic energy to directly heat pots and pans, resulting in faster cooking times and reduced energy consumption compared to traditional gas or electric cooktops. This not only saves you money on your energy bills, but also reduces your carbon footprint, making it an environmentally friendly choice. Users of the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop consistently praise its performance and ease of use. The rapid heating and precise temperature control make cooking more efficient and enjoyable. Whether you're searing a steak, simmering a delicate sauce, or boiling water for pasta, this cooktop delivers consistent results. The touch controls are intuitive and responsive, allowing for seamless adjustments while cooking. The cooktop's quiet operation and even heating further enhance the user experience, making it a joy to use for everyday cooking tasks as well as more elaborate culinary projects. Installing the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop is straightforward, thanks to the detailed instructions provided by the manufacturer. The cooktop requires a 240V electrical connection, which is standard for most induction cooktops. If you're comfortable with basic electrical work, you can likely install it yourself, though professional installation is always recommended to ensure safety and proper operation. Conclusion: the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop 30-inch is an excellent investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with a modern, efficient, and safe cooking appliance. Its powerful cooking zones, advanced safety features, and sleek design make it a standout choice for both everyday cooking and special culinary projects. While the initial cost may be higher than some traditional cooktops, the energy savings and enhanced cooking experience more than justify the investment. If you're in the market for a high-quality induction cooktop, the GASLAND Chef Induction Cooktop is worth considering. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.